One at the basis really to a lot of the work we do on sound and music and compositions, I look at the similarities between the construction of different systems and different manifestations. I mean, you mentioned in the introduction how my work really transcends different disciplines and manifestations, and that's something that I find to be the case, especially linking the construction of materials as a material scientist, from the atoms to groups of atoms to molecules to microstructures to mesostructures to the form and shapes we can see with our eyes, to even bigger things that we can observe in nature or as human engineered materials. That kind of construction principle is very similar to what we see in the creation of musical composition, or we can imagine the buildup really beginning from a similar way. The atom isn't the atom is a sine wave, and the sine wave can be altered to create the sound of different instruments which can play different notes. Notes can be played against each other or in chords. We can have multiple melodies competing, multiple instruments, and you can actually think about the buildup of a system like a musical composition in a very similar way as the creation of a material.